Hey, hey, beautiful babes. Welcome to Sugar Fingers. I'm your girl, Sweet Angel. And y'all, this is where we talk about the nails. It's like nail time for me. So I'm just going to go through some of the things that helps my nails to grow. If you've got cracked, rigid, brittle nails, now's the time to start. So we're going to start today, but first we're going to go into a lot of little details. I can't say a lot, but some important details that really you should know in order to get long, healthy nails. For those that's been knowing me a long time, know I love to share, and I love to share what I do, how I do it, and hopefully some of these things can help you as well. If you're a newbie to this channel, which I know most of y'all should be, because this is Sugar Fingers. This is all new to all of us, but I wanted to break out what I do for my nails, what my daughter does for her nails. We wanted to put it in a concentrated spot so it'll be easy to get to. So I hope you're enjoying this channel thus far. If you are a newbie though, you do need to go ahead and subscribe to the channel and hit the post notification bell so you'll be in the know each and every time we have something for you. So y'all, right now I'm going to bring you down to my work area. We're just going to talk about some of the things that's definitely required if you have dry, brittle, cracked, rigid nails. We're going to discuss it right here. So beautiful babes, honestly, if you want strong, shiny nails, be sure to include a variety of fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds in your diet, as well as adequate proteins and omega-3 fatty acids. Now, if you're looking for vitamins, vitamin supplements, nutrients, let me just share with you 8 most important vitamins and nutrients to help keep your nails healthy. And I just wanted to suggest a couple of vitamins and supplements that would be helpful, and I have those listed in the description box for you. But if you're looking to get your nails on track, let me tell you a couple of things that you're going to need. Now, first, make sure you use biotin. Biotin is a B complex vitamin, also known as vitamin B7, coenzyme R, and vitamin H. Biotin deficiency is rare, but consuming biotin through foods or supplements may help strengthen brittle nails and improve your hair growth as well. Number 2, B12. B12 and folate play a role in red blood cell production and oxygen transformation to nail cells. Inadequacies can result in discoloration of your nails. Number 3, check out iron. Iron is needed to provide your nails with adequate oxygen, which in turn is necessary for healthy nails. If you have an iron deficiency, the shape and appearance of your nails can be affected. Number 4, magnesium. Adequate magnesium intake is crucial to prevent vertical ridges in your nails. This mineral also helps with protein synthesis and the formation of new nails. Number 5, protein. Adequate protein intake is needed to produce keratin, which is responsible for keeping your nails strong and resilient. Number 6, omega-3 fatty acids. To prevent dry and brittle nails, consume adequate omega-3 fatty acids. They help lubricate your nails, giving them a shiny appearance. Number 7, vitamin C. Vitamin C is essential for collagen production, which helps provide strength and integrity to your nails. And finally, number 8, zinc. Zinc is required for healthy growth of your nails. Animal proteins are a great way to consume adequate zinc through your diet, though certain plant foods pack this mineral as well. Now, throughout this portion of the video, I was showing you this Advanced Formula Women's Multivitamin. This is for whole body health, and this is pretty much everything that you'll need. The only thing that you'll need separate from these particular vitamins are your omega-3 fatty acids, which here is a picture of one I don't have in hand right at this moment, but consume omega-3 fatty acids. Consuming a variety of vitamins, minerals, and nutrients through food is definitely the best way to improve and maintain your nail health. Under certain circumstances, taking a supplement may also be beneficial. So if you're looking for vitamins, vitamin supplements to incorporate into your routine, these two I recommend highly. In fact, this is what I take. Now moving from there, we're getting ready to mix up an amazing homemade cuticle oil to strengthen those cracked nails and rigid cuticles. We're going to do that right now. Now, many of you may already be aware of this amazing oil that I've been using for quite some time now. I mix it myself for my cuticles. I have just a little bit more left, so I thought perhaps today would be an excellent day to go ahead and mix up some more. And this is what it'll look like when you're finished. So if you're ready, let me just go ahead and give my hands a little nourishment and we will proceed. So I'm just going to take out the dropper out of the bottle and we'll go over each individual oil that I'll be adding to this wonderful mix. I do also recommend that you have a funnel on hand. These containers come from Amazon. I'll have the link below. The funnel perhaps came from Amazon as well, but you can find those at a number of places. And I'll also need a tablespoon and I'll need a sharp instrument in order to prick one of the capsules. So let's get started. The first ingredient in my homemade cuticle oil is vitamin E.
Research suggests that vitamin E supplementation can prevent yellow nail syndrome, which causes peeling, cracked, and yellowing nails. Vitamin E oil's moisturizing benefits may also support nail health by preventing cracked cuticles and dry skin around the nail bed. Now here I used a tablespoon of vitamin E oil capsules. You can also use the liquid form as well. Either one is fine. With the capsules, of course, you'll have to prick them in order to extract the oil. Alright, next I'll be using olive oil, a tablespoon of olive oil, which is great for penetrating skin and nails. This will help to repair damage and soften the nails and cuticles. This will lead to nail strength and nail health. Massage olive oil into your nails and cuticles on a daily basis. This will help to lock in moisture. And then there is avocado oil. 1 tablespoon of avocado oil is all you need. Use avocado oil because it has the ability to soften cuticles and also to strengthen the nails. It contains potassium. The potassium will help to boost keratin content, which strengthens the nails. It is so amazing because it's going to help to also give the nails a natural luster while encouraging healthy growth. Now I'm going to add in a tablespoon of grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil can be a part of your nail care routine if you have really bad cuticles. Apply a little bit of grapeseed oil and massage it onto your cuticles. This will completely moisturize and nourish your cuticles and make your nails stronger, healthier, and help you grow out longer nails. 1 tablespoon is what you need. Absolutely. Next, we'll be taking 2 to 3 drops of lavender essential oil. Lavender essential oil will moisturize your cuticles and protect them from bacteria, all the while promoting keratin growth. The antifungal properties of lavender essential oil are effective in combating nail fungus as well. Hello Lemon Essential Oil. We'll be taking 4 to 5 drops of the lemon essential oil because it naturally disinfects your hands and nails and rid them of any hard to clean grease. This oil will brighten your nails and make them shinier and healthier, as well as nourish your cuticles. We'll be adding in 2 to 4 drops of orange essential oil. It's going to help with the wonderful scent that this oil is going to have, but it contains, of course, vitamin C, which has powerful antioxidant properties and plays a critical role in collagen production, which is so important. It's an important protein that makes up a large part of your nails. And then the final essential oil is tea tree essential oil. We'll be taking 2 to 3 drops of the tea tree. This oil is so important because tea tree oil is an essential oil with many therapeutic benefits. Among its healing benefits, tea tree oil has antifungal and antiseptic properties and may be an effective treatment for nail fungus. Nail fungus can be challenging to treat because it may not resolve right away. Now, what we're going to use this tea tree for is to help in a preventative measure. So adding it to this oil makes it extra super. And now all we have to do is put the lid on it, the top on it, shake it up, and then to use it, apply a thin coat of the cuticle oil to your nails. You can also massage this into your hands and use this 1 or 2 times a day. This is an amazing cuticle oil that is perfect for cracked nails, rigid cuticles, as well as to help strengthen your nails and to help with nail growth. And you'll also love the aroma of it.
All right, beautiful babes, it's just that easy. Your own cuticle oil. This is what you'll be using around your cuticles, on your hands. It's great for your feet as well. You saw all the great oils that went in there. Use it to moisturize. Absolutely amazing. Quite nourishing for your skin and nails. Superbly divine. I'm so excited about it. I'm so glad y'all hung out with me for this particular oil. So mix up yours. If you don't have all the oils and essential oils, you can check the description box. I'd love to have you buy from me. Shop my Amazon store as well as my Simply Earth links for the essential oils and beautiful babes. If you're not ready to buy, check what you have at home. Oils are just great for the nails and cuticles as well to get rid of those dry, cracked, rigid, damaged nails and help them to be restored and to grow. Take your vitamins, your supplements. Also eat as healthy as you can and make sure you nourish your skin and your hands and your cuticles with an amazing oil. I'm your girl, Sweet Angel, signing up for now. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And y'all know, everywhere I go, I always ask you to please share me with your world. Thank you so much for stopping by, Sugar Fingers. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.